What's up guys, I'm back with another video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Pycharm, which is the best programming editor for Python. So let's get started. So we are going to be installing Pycharm on Zorin OS. So this video is officially for Zorin OS users. Also, this method will work on Ubuntu and any other Ubuntu based distribution. So let's get started with the video. First of all, you need to have a 2.1.15 version of Python interpreter installed on your terminal. To check the version of Python interpreter installed on your terminal, you basically go to terminal. So I'm just going to clear. Let's go to terminal and type Python. As you can see, after you have typed Python, it will show you the version that you have installed. I have the 2.1.12 version, so this is the average version that I have. At least you need to have this version to continue with installation of Pycharm, because Pycharm requires a newer version of Python interpreter installed on your terminal. So make sure you have the latest version of Python interpreter. So if you have a latest version of Zorin OS 12.4 Ultimate or Core, whatever version of Zorin OS if you have the latest version, you don't have to check, because already you will have this version of Python installed on your terminal. Okay, but this is not the latest, but this version is enough for installation of Pycharm. So make sure you check that. And after you have checked it, just close terminal, and you need to go to Pycharm website. Just open up your Google Chrome or any other browser which you use. Just go to pycharm.com and just click download. So now automatically it will recognize your operating system. As you can see, it automatically recognizes Linux. And now what you need to do, you need to just click on this button which says community and just click download, because that's the open source version. And now automatically it will start downloading the tar.gz extension file. So the we are going to be installing Pycharm using this extension. This extension is a Linux supported extension. So I'm just going to go to my file manager and I show you I have installed it. So it's on my downloads, sorry, it's on my desktop folder. As you can see, I have installed the file, as you can see here. So you might have installed the file on your downloads folder. What you need to do guys, after you have installed the file, you need to move that file to your desktop, because we are going to be installing it using terminal. So the desktop folder is a very good folder to access using terminal and install, because it will be very easy to access it. So make sure you move this to desktop. So I have moved it to desktop, as you can see. Pycharm community file. Just get out of there. And now what you need to do, you need to open terminal again. So now what you need to do guys, you need to type cd space desktop. Just type cd space desktop, click enter, and if you locate your desktop folder, just now you need to type ls, and it will show every programs which is available on your desktop. As you can see, it automatically recognizes the Pycharm community tar.gz extension. So now what you need to do guys, to install, you need to type tar space xyfz and type space and copy the Pycharm community tar.gz file which is mentioned on top. Just copy and paste and click enter. So now it will unpack this file. So I have already done this guys, so it will do it for you. It will unpack the file and create a new folder, and it will put every executable file so that you can execute using terminal. So it will unpack it. You have to wait for some time until it unpacks. So wait. So it will take less than 1 minute to do this. So as you can see, it's finished. Now what you need to do, you need to type ls again, and as you can see right now, you have created a new folder, Pycharm 2018 2.4. Yeah, I have already had it, because I have already finished doing this step. So it won't make two folders. So I have already done this, but when you do this, you will have definitely have a folder like this. So now what you need to do guys, you need to basically type cd space and copy this new folder. Just copy and paste it. Click enter. So now it will locate that folder. So now what you need to do, type ls again. Okay, so now it will show every files which is inside that folder. It will show every folders which is inside that folder. So as you can see, we have so many folders here. We are going to be choosing this, the first folder which says bin. So just copy that bin folder and type cd space and paste it and click enter. So now what's on the bin folder? So now what you need to do, type ls. Just type ls and it will show every files inside that folder. Inside the bin folder it will show every files. The most important file we are going to be targeting is this pycharm.sh. This is the file to open Pycharm. So now what you need to do, guys, just type dot slash and copy pycharm.sh, copy and just paste it here and click enter. So now it will take some time and Pycharm will start. Okay, so Pycharm will start. So guys, I have already installed everything and I have already tested Pycharm on it. I already made my first program or everything like that. So you won't get the same thing that I get right now, because you will get the introduction. You need to choose the layout of Pycharm that you want to work with. You have to do all those kind of stuff. Okay, after you have set up Pycharm as you want it to, so as you want it to be, you can start programming. So now what you need to do, guys, I have already created my folder. So after you have created your new folder, you need to right click on it right click on it and you need to just type go to new section, and now we need to just click on Python file, click on that, and now we need to name this particular file. So I'm just going to click hello is something, just for testing, just for this video I'm just going to type this, click OK. So now it will load everything and it will show you. Now as you can see right now, you can start programming. Okay, so we have the terminal, we have the Python console, we have all those kind of stuff. So now for example, let's write a program. So basically just click Python console so that you can see the output of a program. So I'm just going to do a simple program. I'm just going to type hello and click enter. Sorry, I'm going to run this program. Just click on run and choose the folder that you have created, the new folder, choose it. As you can see, sorry guys, that's an error because I left this. I'm just going to cancel out of this, do it again. Hello. So now I'm going to run it again to see whether it works. This time it will work because I don't have anything beneath that. So I'm just going to click run and choose my folder, and as you can see, hello is outputted on my console. So successfully it's working. So yeah, that's all guys. As you can see, Pycharm is working perfectly fine on your Zorin OS computer. Now you can start programming, you can do all those kind of stuff. So I'm also going to research about programming, all those kind of stuff, because I love to program, I like programming. So that's the main theme of this video, how to install Pycharm on your Zorin OS computer. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, rate or comment below if you like my videos, and if you have any questions, you can ask me down in the comment section below. I'll try to respond to your question. Yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.